Trying to look cute for the tube. Trying to look cute for YouTube. Why won't this fit in my ear? Having a little bit of difficulty. Hey guys, what's going on? Today I wanted to talk about a palette, not just a palette, but a palette and two beautiful velvet lip gloss, or lippies if you will, that I have been loving, and it just needed a video on its own because it's just that amazing. And yeah, so let me just show you real quick what it is. A little bit of a preview, sneak peek before you jump right in. That is the Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream palette. This is not the palette, but it is the limited edition packaging, you can call it, I guess. I'm not sure what you would call it, but it's her like limited edition packaging. If you wanted to get it, you'd have to purchase it, but she doesn't have it anymore because it is limited edition. So this is what it looks like, just to show you guys a little sneak peek of what it looks like on the inside. That is what it looks like on the inside. So gorgeous, beautiful. So we will be talking about the Berries and Cream palette along with her two velvet, smooth, beautiful liquid lips. If you're curious about them and my thoughts, opinions, reviews, blah blah blah, all that good stuff, then sit around, get a coffee, sit tight. Let's talk about it. You guys, here is the Dominique Cosmetics bundle, limited edition packaging. I can't really think of the word I'm looking for, but this is a limited edition packaging, so if you didn't get your hands on it, then yikes. Oh well, right? So here's limited edition packaging. On the front, it tells you Dominique Cosmetics DC, that's what it stands for. And the color on it is a nice maroon, rich maroon red color, if you will. Now, if you open it up, it does have a magnetic clasp, alright? And when you open it up, it gives you a shadow, like an eyeshadow palette, and two lippies. And you are getting a good deal, I feel like. Alright, so if I zoom into that section right there, it says at Dominique Cosmetics, hashtag Dominique Cosmetics. And if you're curious what the company is about and what kind of, other makeup they sell, look them up, check it out. Go on their gram and check them out and you'll see what they have to offer. So here is what comes inside. Alright, so let's just push that aside. Alright, so let's talk about the lippies, alright? You get two lippies, and one is a more darker color, while the other one is a more lighter color. So the lighter color here, this is what it looks like, alright? Berries and Cream, and then it has DC for Dominique Cosmetics. The packaging, first of all, I think is very pretty. I love how, it's like a frosty, clear glass color, if you will. You know what I mean? Just like a nice frosty color, and it's clear enough so you can tell what the color is. You're not it's not like a packaging where you're trying to figure out what the color is. Sometimes you don't really have time to read what the packaging is. You're on the go, you take it, and you're like, oh, I know what that is. That's the color. You know what I mean? So that's really nice. This one in particular is called Creamy Pink. To show you guys what the doe foot applicator looks like, that is what it looks like. It's a very interesting doe foot applicator, and I say that because, first of all, it's at an angle, and that does help with the application when you place it on your lips. And then second of all, it comes to a nice point, not like a sharp point, but a nice point, if you will. And that does also help with the application of this product. So I did swatch it for you guys, and that is what it looks like swatched on my hand. I feel like it's kind of obvious, but just in case it's not, because sometimes obvious might not be so obvious, but this is what it looks like swatched on my hands. However, it can look different when it's swatched on your lips, and everyone has a different hue or different hint of lip color to them naturally, so it can look slightly different on everyone, but in any case, this is what it looks like swatched on my hand. A nice creamy, and when I say this product is creamy, I mean a nice, rich, luxe, creamy feeling product. It feels so nice and so soft and so velvety. You have no idea until you try it on your own, trust me. So this is what it looks like. The next one I have here is this dark purpley red color. And again, berries and cream on one side, DC on the other side. This one in particular, she calls it plum berry. So there is a name on the bottom. And again, a nice frosty, kind of like a hazy, clear glass packaging. So I do really like that. Here is what the plum berry looks like swatched right next to the first one I did. And you can tell it's a nice, rich, like dark red, almost like a purpley hint of purple color, if you will. Now, if I had one bad thing to say about it, and because I do want to be completely honest and truthful about this kind of stuff, nothing about the product, nothing about what's inside the product. It is a nice velvety rich creamy product, so that is 100% a nice product. However, just one tiny little thing that I wish they changed was the name of the packaging. Now, what do I mean by that? So as you guys can tell, the names of each lippy is on a sticker in the bottom. And I don't know, I don't really care that much, but I guess I do care enough to bring it up to you guys. So I kind of wish they would put the name somewhere, actually printed on the packaging. That would probably amp up the cost of these lippies. So that's probably a bad idea, but I don't know, just because in the bottom is a sticker, it just kind of, I don't know, I don't really like it. But then again, I don't hate it. That makes sense. I'm just blabbing you guys. This is a nice, velvety, gorgeous, rich lippy. Pick one up, pick both up, whatever. Alright? Alright, so let's jump in and pretty much talk about what everybody and their mothers have been waiting for. The Berries and Cream Dominique Cosmetics palette. So here it is in all its glory. So packaging first, of course. As you guys can see, it has a nice gradient effect from a dark purple to a light purple / pinkish color. So that's a pretty cool effect. The letterings on here are raised, so that is nice, including the Dominique Cosmetics lettering. They are also raised. On the back, it has that same gradient effect to it, and a couple of information down here. Now, when you open it up, it does come with a nice large mirror. And the one thing I like about Dominique Cosmetics and their mirror, palette mirror situation, I love how it's a nice big mirror. It's not bombarded with other nonsense, if you will. It's a nice big clear mirror that you can actually use if you needed to or if you wanted to. So let's go ahead and talk about the shadows. It comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 different shadows. And this shadow is, you can tell it's based on the theme of berry color. I mean, hence the name berries, It comes with nice glitter shades, nice matte shades. Pretty much you name it, it has it. To show you guys an up close look of each color. So that one right there is Warm Pie. Alright, so that is what Warm Pie looks like. And if you don't like my swatch, then well, I'm sorry, I guess, I don't know. But that is Warm Pie. The next color we have is Chocolate Mousse. There is Chocolate Mousse, a nice rich brown matte color. You can never go wrong with that. So that's a nice color right there. The next shade up is called Sweet Cream. And that is swatched right there, Sweet Cream. Then we have Toasted and Bittersweet. So here we have Toasted, and there we have Bittersweet. The last one on the top row is called Soft and Sweet. That right there on top of that Plumberry Lippy, you can see Soft and Sweet. Now diving into the bottom row, we have first off Honey Dipped. Ooh, a nice name. That right there is the Honey Dipped shade, as you guys can see. The next one on the bottom row is called Sugar Cookie, and then we have Cranberry. So here is Sugar Cookie right there, and then that is Cranberry. Then we have a beautiful blue color, which is called Blueberry Muffin. There is the Blueberry Muffin swatch right there. And of course, the last two we have is Cherry Juice and Blackberry. So here is Cherry Juice, and that is Blackberry. If you guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I honestly do really love this palette. It's not my everyday go-to palette, if you will, because although it has like those everyday colors here and there, it's more of a berry-based theme. So for me personally, it's not like a color I'll go for every single day. But it's not like colors you can't wear every day, if you get what I mean. It still looks nice to wear every day. I'm hoping it makes sense, but I do love it. I do recommend it. It's a palette I feel like, you know, it can complement many different skin tones. It can be good for any age. Just an opinion. I like it. I recommend it. I do, however, if you are kind of like tired of buying so many eyeshadow palettes and you have like a whole collection load and you don't need another one, I do recommend the lippies. The lippies are amazing. They are wonderful. And if you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, you would know that I freaking love them. I did wear this on like a Christmas dinner slash like Christmas Friendsgiving. Is that a thing? A get together with your friends for Christmas, right? I wore this. I had drinks, I had, you know, snacks, I had different, like, food, whatever. Had this, and I only applied it once before I left, and this was on my lips the entire night. So, I feel like that is, on its own, a good reason to buy these liquid lips. So, if anything, I would go for the lips, but if you like both, for sure, definitely get both of them. You guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Let me know down below if you'll be purchasing any of these items, and if you have it already, let me know down below if you like it or if you don't like it, or maybe you won't be purchasing them, so tell me why. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Alright guys, if you love videos like this, click that like button down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and of course, join the Kwak fam by clicking subscribe, the red button, here or here, I don't know where, somewhere down below this video. And what else? You can follow me on my social media, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. Follow me there. I post tons of content there. I can't believe it's 2019. You guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. My outro is much too long. I will talk to you next time. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!